Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. If you're watching this, you probably use YouTube all the time, but how well do you really know it? Behind the endless scroll, YouTube has a rich history and hidden features most users never discover. Today, we're diving into 15 surprising facts about YouTube, covering its origins, tech, and secret tools you can use. Whether you're a creator or just curious, understanding YouTube can give you an edge. Let's jump in. Believe it or not, YouTube actually started as a video dating site in 2005, with the slogan, "Tune in, hook up." Users were meant to upload videos describing their ideal partner, but almost no one did, even after the founders offered to pay. Realizing people just wanted to share any kind of video, they dropped the dating idea and opened the site to all uploads. That pivot turned a failed dating site into the world's biggest video platform. The very first YouTube video, Me at the Zoo, is still live. Uploaded by co-founder Jawed Karim in April 2005, it's just 18 seconds of him talking about elephants at the San Diego Zoo. Simple and unpolished, it's now a piece of internet history. Today, it has hundreds of millions of views, just for being the first. YouTube wasn't always part of Google. It was launched by 3 ex-PayPal employees in a garage in 2005, and quickly exploded in popularity. Google saw its potential and bought YouTube for $1.65 billion in stock just 18 months later. That acquisition became one of the smartest moves in tech history. YouTube isn't just for watching videos. It's the world's second largest search engine, right after Google. People search for tutorials, reviews, and how-tos more on YouTube than on Bing or Yahoo. Creators must master YouTube SEO to get discovered. Millions now turn to YouTube for answers, not just entertainment. Want insider info straight from YouTube employees? Check out Creator Insider, an official but low-key channel where staff share updates, feature tests, and algorithm insights. It's a goldmine for creators who want to stay ahead of platform changes. If you're serious about YouTube, this channel is a must-watch. YouTube supports immersive 360-degree and VR videos. Look around in any direction, on desktop, mobile, or with a VR headset. From concerts to travel, these videos put you right in the action. See the compass icon? Try it for a whole new viewing experience. YouTube's algorithm used to reward clicks, but now it's all about watch time. The more your videos keep people watching, the more they get recommended. This shift encourages creators to make engaging, high-quality content. On YouTube, time is more valuable than clicks. Need music for your videos? YouTube's free audio library has thousands of royalty-free tracks and sound effects. It's built into YouTube Studio. Just search, preview, and download. No copyright worries, no extra cost. For creators, it's an essential, often overlooked tool. Remember YouTube Rewind? It was YouTube's annual year-in-review video. In 2018, Backlash made it the most disliked video ever. YouTube tried again, but canceled Rewind for good in 2021. Even giants can lose touch with their community. Top YouTube channels aren't just popular, they're massive businesses. Cocomelon, Ryan's World, and MrBeast each make over $100 million a year from ads, merch, and brand deals. They've built global media empires from scratch. YouTube's earning potential is bigger than ever. YouTube Shorts is YouTube's answer to TikTok's short-form video dominance. Launched in 2020, Shorts now gets over 70 billion daily views. YouTube pays creators for Shorts, making it a core part of the platform. It shows YouTube's ability to adapt and stay relevant. YouTube's auto-translate feature lets you turn captions into over 100 languages instantly. This breaks language barriers, making videos accessible to everyone. Now, creators and viewers worldwide can connect, no matter where they are or what language they speak. Power users know keyboard shortcuts make YouTube faster. Use K to play or pause, J and L to skip, F for full screen, M to mute. Number keys jump to different video parts instantly. Master these and you'll never need your mouse again. YouTube Premium removes all ads, lets you play videos in the background, and download for offline viewing. It also includes YouTube Music, plus exclusive original shows for a while. For heavy users, it's a full-featured upgrade. YouTube isn't available everywhere. It's permanently blocked in countries like China, North Korea, and Iran, and has faced temporary bans elsewhere. Access to YouTube remains a political issue, reminding us that open platforms aren't universal. That's 15 things you probably didn't know about YouTube. From its dating site origins to global impact, YouTube is full of surprises. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe to Entrepreneurial Edge. Drop a comment with your favorite fact or a hidden feature we missed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next deep dive.